Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the case and bracket fit. This prevents wasted time. Next, remove the PCIe card from the slot and inspect the backplate. Make sure mounting holes align. Once done, secure the vertical bracket to the case using the 2-slot screws and loosely seat the riser cable into the motherboard slot so you can position the GPU without strain. This approach reduces torque on the riser and makes later cable routing easier. You now focus on the riser and alignment. A loose connection causes instability. Push the riser into the PCIe X16 slot until the latch clicks, then test continuity by gently wiggling. Align the GPU with the bracket, inserting the card straight into the riser at a slight angle. This prevents bending. Once seated, hold the card steady with one hand and tighten the bracket screws incrementally so the card stays parallel. This equal pressure prevents stress on the riser and slot. You finish by connecting the PSU power leads and tidying cables to avoid fan obstruction. Neat routing improves airflow and reduces vibration. Boot the system and watch for post-beep, then check Device Manager and GPU temps under a light load to confirm stable operation. If the system fails to post, first power down and reseat the riser and GPU. This fixes most issues. If problems persist, check BIOS PCIe settings and try an alternate slot or known good riser, because connection faults are the common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.